What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a mining update video, guys. It has been a busy week here for me. I've been working a lot at the facility, getting rigs deployed. Got over 15, almost 16,000 watts or 16 kW of GPUs deployed this past couple of days, this past week, as well as finishing up networking updates and things like that. So yeah, let's dig into the full updates and kind of catch up to speed of what's been going on over at least the last week with me and TheFamilyMine, and of course everything else. So of course, first, TheFamilyMine, right? So I don't know if any of y'all have seen, I've been making some shorts that have kind of showed you of TheFamilyMine. Kind of gives you a kind of like a close-up view basically of what it kind of got going on. You know, Sunday fun days, getting wiring done, more fluxtastic days for rig deployments, having Wi-Fi issues with the Emporium metering system. But as of the other night, we got like so much stuff actually accomplished at the farm, and you know, you got tons of rigs actually up, running, deployed. As you can see right there, there's almost everything minus 2 rigs. I'm waiting on 2 cables currently to get these last 2 over here. These last 2 octavirus put on. But yeah, was able to finish out the networking, so all of the network actually runs up here. There's the switch, and then everything kind of feeds this way or feeds that way, kind of as it sits right now. But I absolutely love that way it's kind of turned out, and makes it look really neat, keeps things nice and organized and tidy, kind of the way that I kind of like it that way. So that's something that we've been going over and I've been dealing with at the farm, is getting all of that situated. And of course, this coming week, this week, we should be getting the contract back for our 500 kVA install, which is half a freaking megawatt, guys. That is like absolutely insane. I am beyond ready for that. I'm ready to get the half a megawatt for sure. And because once that happens, we will be able to go full public and start taking in other rigs, because like right now we're pretty much tapped out on power as it kind of sits. So I would love for that to happen and be able to further deploying customers' rigs and maybe building out the farm as well for some extra Bitcoin miners and things like that. So stuff that we've been going on over at the farm, and as well as like been getting things done there. And yeah, next thing on the list is nodes. Am I running nodes? I've actually had a few people still ask me, am I still running a Flux node? I am currently still running my Flux node. I'm actually especially curious for the next month update that we do, which makes the 1-year mark for running our Nimbus node here in the next 18 days or so. So we'd be able to see that, and I want to see how badly or how good potentially the rewards have been for running our Flux node since the halvening has happened, because our rewards are now cut in half. Alright, so yes, I still am running my Flux node. I am actually looking at deploying a Caspa node, as well as potentially a Solana validator. I am looking at acquiring a server that is actually like the right specs for that. That way I don't have to build out something that's too crazy and out of the ordinary, and getting the job done there. So yes, still running my Flux node and looking at running a Caspa node, as well as getting a Solana validator open. Now, the third thing on the list of things that has been going on, and we will be getting to this week now that we have rigs deployed at the farm, I have a little bit of spare time that I can allocate to getting some content done as well as deploying the Osprey Hostspot G1. So as you guys may have seen in a recent video, Osprey did send us a G1. Shout out to y'all guys. Thank you very much for sending this on over. I greatly appreciate this and can't wait to set this up. So here in the next day or so, I will be setting this thing up, and we will have a video covering how to set up one of these, and we'll be able to kind of see what the rewards are from a Osprey Hostspot G1. Only other hotspots I've ever ran was an Emirate Cool Spot, which you don't technically own. You actually only get a sliver of the rewards. And then I also had a Nibra, but I never got it. So there's that. Chalk it up as a loss. So interested to see how this actually does work and pan out, and would love to see what the rewards would be from a actual, like, I own hotspot versus something that someone else owns. So we'll have a video going over this coming out here soon, going over how to set this up, and then we'll start covering a little bit of videos of kind of what the earnings will be. I would be curious to see what it maybe could earn on Crank, if it can, as well as there are some other options. So super shout out to them for sending me this. They are also sending over the upgraded antenna, and I am extra curious of that because I actually was going to do this setup with my Nibra and use the extended antenna and hook it up in the well house, because I actually have a old like satellite spike off of my well house, and it is no longer in use. So I'm going to attach the antenna to the top of that and see if it can get some better reach, as it will be up above me and like above the house. So that'll be cool, and I'm really looking forward to that. Now, lastly guys, am I still mining? What am I still mining? Am I still earning anything? Yes, I am indeed still mining as we speak. I am currently mining Ethereum Classic, Flux, and Caspa. These are the three coins that I am currently mining. I am technically mining BTC with an S9 that has 2 hashing boards, but other than that, not really mining for Bitcoin technically, because mining for Bitcoin and then some of my GPUs are mining ETC are actually mining on unminable, and I earn Solana from those. I am earning other coins out there from other investments that's technically not mining related, that I do get earnings in, some like Solana and things like that. But mining, I am only mining Ethereum Classic, Flux, and Caspa at the current time. I am getting earnings from Flux as well with my Flux node, so I do get a better earning rewards when I am mining and earning Flux, because I am getting 100% of the rewards because I am a node op and a Flux mining. So FA to that, I am mining Caspa. I have a few GPUs pool mining it, as well as I am solo mining it. So currently the BCU does solo mine Caspa, and it has been doing extremely well as it currently sits. And then some of my other single card GPUs that are mining Ethereum Classic are mining Caspa as well, and they're dual mining. So double purpose on those ones, and then Flux just mining Flux. So that is currently what I have been up to and what is going on here for my mining updates, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it catches you up to speed what we've been going on. And things have been behind a little bit, and I've just been trying to deploy rigs and get things done. I can't show a whole lot of that work. One, because I was working and I just kind of get in the zone and forget to record things. So unfortunately, we don't have that, but I've been posting shorts to kind of help with that as well. So please make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell notification, guys. I would greatly appreciate that, because we are posting some shorts, and if you have the bell icon on, you would get notifications for those as well, and that's where you will get the bulk of the updates from the farm and other things that we got going on here is through the shorts, and then we have the long-winded videos here and the live streams that we have. So we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Much love, peace out, keep on mining, keep your nodes running. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out and stay savage.